Good morning. I want to wish a happy season of celebration. Anybody who's celebrating the season right now. This is the latest edition of Chip Clips. We took a long hiatus. There was a lot of stoppages and shortages and other challenges personally and professionally. I'm sorry, it's been a hard time for me. Oh my gosh. As I think about Chip Clips and what it's meant to me over the years, and all you guys, I just want to say thank you. As I think about this show, I want to thank you and express an urge I've had, which is an urge to resume the show of Chip Clips. And so, as I was walking through the gas station, it's funny that the urge spoke to me in the form of hot dog rolled chips. These contain zero gas, even though there is gasoline on the container. And this is a special line. Previously, Quick Trip, they did a line of chips that were based on their popular blueberry dunkers. They were very popular. And then there was other combo meat chips, salad chips, other various food forms. Yep. And so now here comes hot dog roller. So I've never had these. These are gas station roller dogs. I've had a hot dog flavored chip before, but these are on the roller, and those are the ones that just kind of sit there and spin. How's the camera? Is it focused up? We're good? Okay, thank you. So you can see the texture on there. It's got, I don't know what, because hot dogs on the roller is just a hot dog, but I see lots of flecks of flavor and things, so let's give a whiff here. There's a ridge chip. It's a little bit like when you boil hot dogs on the pot, the water that they're sitting in. Even though roller dog sits in no water, these somehow got that essence included. What the green flecks are, I'm not sure, but they're there. Some sort of barbecue rippling flavor. Yeah, we're close. I'm gonna give these 6 rolls and a twist, is what I'm gonna call these. 6 rolls and a twist. But these do expire June 11th of 2025, so these could be nearing their saturation point. You're gonna wanna set your serving size to about 12 chips, and that's gonna set you back 150 calories. Not enough to get you through a whole day, but enough to satisfy the urge. So thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.